Welcome back to another episode of Trade by Numbers, y'all. If you're new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, be sure that you're hitting that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and give me a like. I'm out here posting stocks each and every day that you can go out and make money with. I'm not a financial advisor, but I can tell you what I'm doing with my own money. And if you want to learn how to trade, if you're just getting into it, you can follow along, start paper trading, just following along with exactly what I'm doing. This is just as easy as a paint by numbers, and get that confidence to be able to go out there and start trading on your own. So, we got the market trying to rally up a little bit in the pre-market here. We're up almost 2/10 in the pre-market here. And I'll be honest, most of my watch list is in the green right now. However, we do have crypto in the red this morning. And we had a little bit of a pop yesterday. It wasn't a huge pop, but we had a little pop yesterday. I still believe we're in that downward cycle. So could we see today go red? Absolutely. We didn't have a huge pop yesterday. Could we see it continue to be green? Absolutely. Hard to say on the day. I don't have a crystal ball, but I do believe at this point we're still in that downward trend. I will say that even though we had a little bit of a rally yesterday, we stayed under that 4,000 on the S&P. So that's still very bearish for me. We'll see how the day plays out. We'll see if we continue to stay under that line, and we'll just see how our plays pan out. Got into a ton of plays yesterday. If you missed that video, I went over every play that I got into. However, I do want to bring up a little gem that I just happened to notice, and that is MMAT, Metamaterials. Now, I have this on my watch list because I've traded it in the past, just scalped off some profits while it was running up. But I happened to notice today that we hit a low of 63 cents for this stock on Friday. Now, yesterday it bounced up just a little bit, and it's up in the pre-market this morning. And the reason I bring that up is because back in October of last year, we also hit that 63 cents. We hit 63 cents flat in October, and then following that, it rallied up to $2.34. Now that's a pretty huge move. And now this Friday we hit that 63 cent level. Actually, it hit 63.09 cents, and we're starting to rally from that. And the chart, looking at it descending to that 63 cents back in October, and looking at where we've come off that $2.34 to this, looks very similar. So could we be gearing up on MMAT for another run? I think there's a very good chance. I think this could be a diamond in the rough, and I'm going to be looking at it today and seeing how I want to play it, because I do think there's some potential. I'm not saying it's going to explode tomorrow. It took it a little while to get that up to that 234, but it rallied pretty quickly. You might want to put it on your watch list at the very least and keep an eye on it, because I'm going to be looking at it and charting it some more today and seeing how I would maybe like to play this. Maybe buy some stocks, or see where I could see this going over the relatively short term, say the next couple of weeks. Something you might want to check out for yourself. Like I said, I think that could be a diamond in the rough. I know that when MMAT tends to move, it tends to be pretty volatile. It's not uncommon for it to have 20% days. I've seen this in the past because, like I said, I've scalped some of those profits off. I've seen it getting ready to move, just got in, made a quick 10-12% on it and got out. So seeing it down here at the bottom, I don't know, it's kind of got me wanting to get in on it and see if I can get a pretty significant move. Maybe we can make a 100% move on this. And with it down at, under 70 cents, not a whole lot of risk there. We've already hit the bottom now. If it was to, I'll say this right now, because 63 cents has always been the very bottom. if I was to buy into it and it dropped below 63 cents, I'd be out like that, because I'd have no reference to know where it could go next. But if you're looking to get into it and potentially play this to the upside, I think that we're in as good a time as you could get. So please check it out, see if it's something that makes sense for you. And other than that, we're going to play the stocks that we picked up yesterday, just kind of see how the market's moving today. And if you haven't done it, come over, join the Patreon. Now we're going to get a group of people in there, and I'm going to be giving away cold hard cash. I'm not setting this up to enrich my life. I'm not looking for a second home or a sports car. I set this program up with the sole intent of taking the profits from it and giving it back to the community. What could you do with an extra $1,000? We're going to be giving away to a lot of winners. A lot of people in there is going to be getting this money to help you get started. I want to invest in you so that you can go out and make a difference. That's what I got for you. Till next time, be blessed, and remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.